Um, uh, by using this. What's this piece of? I think that's part of his body. I think it's not. Oh, just cut it. Come on. Okay. Hey, now what? And then I think we would actually get the defibrillator. Come on, get the defibrillator. Wait, it's for the last part. Oh, sorry. Then how can we fix it? I don't know. I think he's glitching. Yeah. Maybe, what can we do about it? I don't know. Just put something like this. It's for his bypass. Okay, get the conveyor as a gear. Okay, I guess. The conveyors are big. So that's why I have to make it small. Now what? Place it. And now, just wait for so many days. What? How can we actually, I don't know. Maybe let's wait for May 25 so he could revive. Then next, we're gonna get a defibrillator. Then, there. Boing. Okay, now he's still not alive, so that's why we have to wait for him. Yeah, I thought I was gonna fix it. But I thought I was gonna fix it too, because I'm smart. Oh, yeah, I can't fix that. Me too, I can't fix that. I know, I can fix that too. I can fix that too, I guess. But I can fix him. Okay.